Okay, so hello guys, hello, welcome to my live stream. Welcome everyone. Here is Doing Holdings, okay? Here is Doing Holdings, and we are a big company for doing the palm oil and edible oil. Okay, no problem. And here is our live stream today, and also broadcast, right? And Henan Glory is an oil and fats engineering limited company. Everyone, if you want like a production line, please let me know, okay? And I will send my WhatsApp number in the commentary, okay? Yeah, no problem. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And if you want to talking to me about anything, you can leave a message in the commentary, okay guys? Because I couldn't see the people, how many people are watching my live stream, okay? That's fantastic. I don't know why. And here is our company show. Our company is in China. Of course, so I'm a Chinese people, okay? And here is our company show. Just look at that. And here is our company department. We have different departments like the sales department, support center, or manufacturer center. We also have what? We have the Paul Complete. How to pronounce your name? Hi. Do you have some question about our company or about what? If you want to asking me, please still live in the live stream, okay? Yeah, let's continue. Hi again. Okay, hi. Yeah, hi. Welcome to my live stream today. And we are the doing company, Henan Glory Company. We are a company in China. How to join? What to join? What to join? What do you mean? Join our company? And what we did, we are doing some equipment like the palm oil production line. Okay, so today I will tell you guys about how to set up or how to establish a big company of the palm oil production line. Oh, you want to join my company? Sorry, I'm not the boss, so I don't know how to join. Sorry about that. And here is our first step is here, raw material reception station. Yeah, and I think the palm is always growing in Africa or in South Asia, in South America, like so on this place. So there are not too much palm oil trees in China, to be honest. But our company is doing the whole production line of the palm oil. Okay, so if you don't trust me, please look at the top photos about our equipment sending to Africa, or there is our customers standing in front of our company or our equipment. Okay, no problem. Thank you again. Thank you. And first, here is the sterilization station. Here is a very important thing that it can be making the palm fruit into a high temperature, maybe. And then here is oil clarification station. Here is the station. Clarification means what? That means that it needs to evaporation out the sieve or impurities or fibers in the palm fruit oil, right? Because palm have many fibers, right? Yes, so here is the evaporation sieve. And the kernel recovery station. And that photo shows that about the very big, maybe big mill of the palm oil. Okay, big mill. So if you want the 1 ton per day, 1 ton per hour, or 2 ton per hour, you can also follow my live stream, okay? Because this is only a company profile. I need to introduce about this. But our company have the different capacity of the palm oil production line. Okay, so here is 1 to 5 ton per hour palm oil press line. Look at here. Okay, so this one is 1 to 5 ton per hour. Here the yellow one, it is a presser. Presser is this all of the equipment in these photos are making by ourselves because we have a factory near to our company. Okay, we have our own company. So if you guys are interested in our live stream, you can leave your WhatsApp number, or I can give you my WhatsApp number, okay? And then you can come to China and go to my factory to have a look, okay? And also we have another, we have an overseas warehouse in Nigeria, Nigeria, Africa, right? This is right? Okay. So here is a single machine of the oil presser. Single machine. This one, look at this one. This one is more easily. It is for 5 kilogram per hour. And it can use 2 power for doing the oil, like the diesel energy, or the motor power energy. Okay? So this one is more suitable for the electric. It's not so good. Please, PLACE, okay. And this one is more bigger one. It is for 1 ton per hour, 5 ton per hour, 10 ton per hour, and also 15 ton per hour. This presser is much more bigger. And this one, maybe it is only use the electric, okay? Only it need electric to making it working. And also we have the palm kernel oil production line. Here is the whole production line of the palm kernel cracking and separating machine. Because you know that the palm fruit have many different kind of like fibers or impurities inside it, right? So it need to it is hard to separation. So we have this kind of separating machine to separating the fibers or separating the kernels and the cracking and the separating and so on. And the separation rate can reach 95 to 97%. That's amazing, right? That's amazing. Hello guys, we are the Henan Doing Oil. We are the Henan Doing Limited Company, and here is Henan Glory. It is a company beside to our Doing Holdings. And here is the palm kernel pressing production line. This is a very small one, very smaller one. But also we have the very big one. If you said that you want to build a kernel pressing oil mill, we also can provide this kind of machine for you. And the capacity must be more bigger, right? And here the first one, it is a crushing like a cracking the palm kernel, right? And then the kernels go into the cooking to making it high temperature or making it more smells good. And then this one is for pressing. This one can only pressing the palm kernel. And the last one is for filtering. Okay, no problem. And also here is our kernel common vegetable oil seeds. This may be named edible oil, right? Edible oil. Yes, so we always have the edible oil production line. Like the last week, we had a customer. She is in where? She is in Bangladesh, maybe. Bangladesh, right? If you know Bangladesh, you will know him. He's doing the cottonseed oil. No. He's doing the raspberry oil. Yes, raspberry oil. Okay. And all of this, we can do the whole production line for you guys. Pre-treatment and pressing production line. First, oil seeds, and then we need to cleaning it. Why we need to cleaning it? Because you think the oil seeds like the sunflower seed, it must have many impurities or the little stones, maybe little solid in it, so we need to clean it at first. So we need cleaning and then husking it, and then we can have the kernels, and then to crushing the kernels. And then maybe then we need to soften it, because softening is to making the temperature be more high or making the oil seeds be more white like this. And flaking, it is also depend on the oil seed what you have. Like the peanuts, you need to flaking, because to flaking it is more easy to touching with the oil presser, and then it is more easy to getting out the oil. Alright? Yes. And then cooking it means that we need to prepare it like making the oil seeds be into a high temperature. It is more easy to pressing. And then go to the pressing machine for pressing the oil. And the last step is the filtering. filtering, we use the plant filter press, this machine. And then get out the crude oil and the oil cake. Okay, so the oil cake, maybe you can using it for feeding the animals. Okay, so here is the small production line of the edible oil. And this production line only using for the, like the pictures shows before, like the cotton seed or the raspberry seed, and also peanuts, soybeans oil, like so on. And first it's cooker to making the temperature be higher, and then the cooker oil seed will putting in the conveyor to send the oil seed into the expeller. Maybe this expeller you can also call the oil presser, right? And then it will be press out the impurities. This is named the filter, right? No problems. Here is a very little production line. So if you want to have a little, like a little company, or or you said that you want to using this machine for cooking the oil, like in your own family, it's all okay. This machine, this production line is all okay. All right. And also here, single machine, right? Look at this full machine. If you only want the single one, you only want the expeller, you only want the oil presser, it's all okay. I need you to talking with me, okay? Leave a live stream in the commentary, okay? And I will introduce you more details, okay? And here is also, we have the solvent extraction method. Here is the whole solvent maybe factory. So if you guys need the palm oil solvent extraction method, we also can provide you guys for this kind of big factory for you guys. And also our company have some equipment of the oil solvent. So if you come to China, I will show you the equipment. And also here is refinery. Refinery is also a very important way for palm oil pressing, right? The palm oil, when it is ready, it is named the crude oil, right? Crude oil. But if we putting it in the refinery, then the edible oil, the palm oil, they all can eat it. It is more healthier for eating. Like this kind of edible oil, they all need to refinery. Okay? Yes, so if anyone is interested in my live stream, please leave a message in here. Okay, please leave me a message. Thank you guys. And let me know I'm not talking alone. Okay, so here is a refinery. We have 3 different ways for refinery. First one is a batch type refinery plant. Normally used for refinery, it is little than 20 tons per day. 20 tons per day, not per hour. Here is per day, okay? And this is the benefits of the batch type refinery plant. Features of the batch type refinery plant: simple and flexible operation, less investment, suitable for replacing of various oil materials frequently. Yes, this is very fantastic, right? And also, this have two ways to making it in a high temperature, like the heating method, electrical heating method, or conduction oil heating method. Okay? Yes, these two are very easy for heating the whole production line. You know that if we cooking the palm oil, we all need to heating it, because if we don't heating the palm oil production line, the oil will be getting together, right? We need to keep the oil running. And we also have the full continuous refinery plant. This maybe it is the more than 30 tons per day. It has a big capacity. So if you want to refinery a big capacity like the 16 tons per day, you can choose this one. And this one is more what? It is more look at here. For common vegetable oil refinery plant, it includes four processes: degumming, deacidification, decolorization, and deodorization. All units of full continuous refinery plant are continuous production. This refinery process has advantages of less consumption, less oil lost, and more steady quality of refined edible oil. Okay, so here is a full continuous refinery plant. And here is the quality of crude palm oil for the palm oil. And also we have the crystallization section. This one maybe didn't need in the palm oil. Dewaxing. These four kinds of oil need to dewaxing, of course. And here is the factory. Here is the machine what we use in our factory. Like this. Okay, so customer visit. They are all our company's visitor. All our visitors. And look at that, they're from all over the world. Okay? All over the world. And here is guys from the Pakistan, also from the Sierra Leone, Tanzania, and Mexico. Here is the project cases. That is the machine or production line we sending to all over the world. Here is the production line, or only the single machine with delivery to all over the world. Here is the delivery photos, and also here and up in our live stream. Here is our qualification certificate. So if you guys are interested in our company, please leave a live stream for me, okay? Leave what you want want the how much you can leave here or anything else, you can leave a live stream for me, okay? If you guys want to build a production line, please let me know. Okay, so here is all. Thank you guys. Okay, so here is the 3D animation of the whole production line of our edible oil. If you guys are interested, let me have a look. Let me introduce this one for you, okay? $1 per hour palm oil free all-in-one machine production process. Okay, so here is our company new production line. It is more easy to settlation, and it's more easy to delivery. So if you guys want to know more details about this production line, please let me know, okay? And here I will introduce for you guys why it is free. Why it is what? Free all-in-one. What mean of the free all-in-one? Okay. So first here is putting the water in this tube, and you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tanks in here, but only this one, it don't have the doors to open it. Here is all the water in here. And beside, here is the to fire the wooden or the palm bunches in here to making the water to boiling, right? And then the boiling water has the hot steam, right? Hot steam will translate to the other three tanks. And here is also the boiler water in here. And look at here, the top of this tank. Here have the cage fruit cage, right? Fruit cage is named to putting the palm bunches in it. And here is the doors. We're using the hanging to hang out the fruit cage. And then putting the bunches into the cage. And we know what, here need a laboratory. Need your guys in here. He need to put in the bunches into here. Also, he need to control this one. He need to control the hanging, okay? And the hanging send the cages into the tank. And also in here we have 4 cages in one tank. And the This means what? Means that you use the hot steam to making the palm fruit for sterilization, right? So the time needs 120 to 115 minutes, and then the palm will be sterilization. Okay, and then need to honing it again. And then it will putting our bunches into this machine. This means the fermentation. Okay, fermentation. And it is a big rotary. It is longer for 2.5 meters, and through it rotary, and then the palm fruit will be getting out. And also here we need to collect the bunches here. It can using for the boiling the water. And here is our palm fruit going to the first presser. First presser, and then go to the second presser. Why here is two presser? I think you all have this question, right? You have all this question because the first one getting into the presser, it will be have much more fibers or impurities into this first presser, right? So it need to pressing the fibers or the impurities again. It can making the oil be much more, okay? And then here go to the tank. And here we need to heating this tank, because what's the meaning of this tank? This is a clarification tank, okay? And we use this tank for making the very little impurities getting out. And then go to the vibration sieve. Here is also the hot water in it. It need to keeping the oil to still running. And then it will be pushing in the filter press. Here is also a tank. It's for dryer like making the water out, okay? Here is the cyclone. And then here we're getting out the cakes in here. Oil cakes. It can using for feeding your animals. So if anyone is interested in our palm production line, palm oil production line, please leave a live stream for me. And if I see your question, I will answer your question, okay? Here is the most easy one. And it is a frame. Only we have only 3 frame. It's like a U-shape, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 frame, okay? And it's more easy for settlation. It only can delivery for 3 big box. Every box have the different kind of equipment, and then you settlation it three frame together, and then you can using it. And if you want to use this kind of production line, it will saving the First, we will separation the kernels and the fibers. And then the fibers will getting in the getting down, and here will coming out the kernels. So if you guys are interested, please leave a live stream for me. And here is a hover. And then the kernel will be putting in the elevator. Go to the bucket, elevator, and then go to the magnetic separation. Here is to grinding machine to grinding out the different type of the kernels. Hello, if you are here, if anyone is here, please leave a message for me. Let me know you are watching me. And then go to the cracker. Cracker will be crack the kernels. Different type in the different cracker. And this kind of machine is using the wind, like the cyclone, using the wind to separation the fibers or separation the kernels. Column, right? Kernel outlet and then shell outlet. It will be very easy. Here is what? Here is a crusher to crush it into the small pieces. And then here is for what? Here is our cooker or roaster to making the temperature of the cracker be more higher temperature. Bucket elevator, and then go to the hover. And then here is the oil expeller. It is for only the palm kernel can using this kind of presser. And this kernel oil only needs the pot filter. It's all okay. Right? It's all okay. Pot filter to filter out the impurities or a little bit of the fibers. So here is the whole factory looks like office. Like here is a labor room, or here is a big tank, or the oil delivery station. Okay guys, so let me show you more details about the other one. Here is also an production line of the palm oil, okay, and this one is for 1 to 2 tons per hour. So let's looking at the factory at first. Here is the whole factory. And then putting out the fruit bunches here. And this one is a honey with the fruit cage. You can see here the fruit cage is very bigger than the 1 ton per hour one, right? Because this is 1 to 2 tons per hour, sorry. And this is how also for 4 different cages in here. And you can see here's it's hydraulic doors. It's have more pressure of to making the palm fruit be sterilization. And also here is the woodens, and putting the wooden into this one to boil the water. Hello, here is Henan doing limited company. If you guys are interested in what I said or our production line, please leave a live stream for me, okay? And here I will introduce more details for you. And open this one hydraulic doors, and then here will come in the honey and hung out the fruit cages. Yes, here also need a labor to control the honey, okay? The honey couldn't do it by itself. And then putting out the bunches here, and here is the fermentation, like the rotary, and it will be separation separation our fruit. Here is the elevator, sending it to this tank. This tank is more different from the 1 ton per hour frame all-in-one this kind of production, because in this tank you can see here has many blood, right? And in this tap the oil will be pressed out. The oil will be pressing out. And here will come in the oil. And we're using this big tank to making the pressure of our oil presser be little. And the oil presser has a little bit pressure. Here is a little tank for collection the oil from the big tank with the blood. So if you guys are interested in my live stream, please leave a live stream for me, okay? And here we go. Here is the presser. Yellow one is for presser. The beside here and here it will be getting out the oil, and in front of here it will be pressing out the fibers or the kernels here. And in the tank, and then it will directly go to the vibration sieve. What's the meaning of the vibration sieve? Here is 2 layers and 2 layers, it means what? Means that it can be easily separation of the big fibers or the impurities in the vibration. And here is a tank for clarification the oil. Here is a heating tube, right? Because say it again, we need to keep the oil be running. And also here we're getting out the very clarified oil into the tank again. So if anyone is interested in my live stream, in what I said, in what I show you guys, you can leave a little message for me here. And if I see your message, I will give you more details or give you my company's WhatsApp number. Okay? Also, here is the flash dryer. Flash dryer, what is a dryer means? Here is water and oil, so we need using this kind of equipment to making the water out. And here is the cyclone. And then putting in the very big tank. Here is the cake, oil cake falling down. And the blue one shows what? Shows here is the gas, G-A-S, right? Gas in this tank, and the water will be cleaning the gas. So if you have question, please leave in the live stream, in the commentary. It's all okay, or you can send a private message to me. And here is the delivery station. Our company named Doing Holdings, and we have an overseas warehouse in Nigeria. Okay, we are doing the whole production line for very long time. So if you guys are worried about our company's equipment, don't worry it. Okay, don't worry it, because we have the very good we have the very professional engineers in our company. So let's look at this 1 to 2 ton per hour production line. Okay, if you are interested, please leave a message for me. Let me have a rest. Okay, let me have a rest. So if you guys are interested in this live stream, please leave your message here. And if I see it, I will answer you very quickly. Our company is in Henan, China, Zhengzhou province. Okay, Zhengzhou province is a big city. So if you want to come in here, I will tell you more details. I will tell you about our company and show you our factory. Okay. And if you are interested in this live stream, please getting hello. What are you interested in this kind of limit kind of production line? Hello. Okay. And here is 1 ton or 2 ton per hour palm oil production line. And we are the Henan Glory Limited Company. So if you are interested in our production, you can add my WhatsApp number. Okay, so here is our company's WhatsApp number. All right. And also we have the palm kernel oil production line. What do you interested in? You can leave a message in the commentary. If I see it, I will cut in this one to play in that one. Learning, please get me. Okay, no problem. You are learning how to making the palm oil, right? What's the capacity of your learning? We have the 5 ton or 1 to 2 ton or only 1 ton per hour. Okay. So maybe let's learning at this one. This is 1 ton per hour palm oil frame all-in-one machine production process. Okay. This one. If you are interested, I'm very happy to teaching you. Okay, not teaching you, to getting you. Okay, getting you. Because we are doing this kind of factory for a very long time. Okay. If you want to trust us, maybe you want to come to China, we will treat you very well. We have the international team. Their English is more better than me. Look at here. Here is the water we're putting in this tube. Okay, no problem. And also here is the first tube. Her first tube you can see here. Here is don't have the doors, right? So this tank is only for boiling water, and then here will be provide a lot of hot steam in here. Hot steam. Okay, no problem. And then this yellow tube, it is using for transform the hot steam to the other 3 tanks. And here is other 3 tanks look like this. Here is a boiling water, and it will be getting up the steam. And in the top here is a fruit cage, okay? And we use this cage for putting in the palm bunches, maybe palm bunches. So if you want, please add in my WhatsApp number, okay? And then I will have more details can tell you guys. And then here is our palm fruit. Every tank have 4 cages. And here is the honey. We need a human or laboratory lab to control this honey. And then here is a palm bunches fell into this one. This machine is a big rotary, and through it rotating, the palm fruit will be separating out. Here we collect the bunches because it can using for boiling the water. Okay, and then here goes the fruit. Palm fruit, it will into the first presser at first. Here is the first presser. Okay, so if the what's her name, One or I, hello, are you still here? If you are interested, please you can add my WhatsApp number, because my live stream will be ending in 3 minutes later. Okay? Okay, here is our company's WhatsApp number, and you can add it here, and I will tell you more details, because today my live stream will into an end in 3 minutes later. Okay, and here is the second presser for pressing out the fibers and also the palm kernels in here. And here is the oil into first. Here is a clarification tank. Here is the heating, because we need to keep the oil running. And then here we'll go to the oil into the vibration sieve. Okay, thank you a lot. And here is a platform filter. It will be pushing out the oil. And this tank is for, here is the hot water, maybe the hot steam, and here is water. We need to separation out the water in this kind of cyclone. Okay, here is the cyclone. And then here is getting out the. Okay, understood. Okay, no problem. Yes, hope you have a good day today. Yes, and here is a cake here. And